Taming big data with MapReduce and Hadoop will give you the skills needed to analyze massive datasets using distributed computing techniques, often with just a few lines of code. I spent 9 years at Amazon.com and IMDb.com developing their recommendation technology, which involved analyzing data from hundreds of millions of customers on a continual basis. Google invented MapReduce, and they've used it to analyze the entire internet. Today, you have access to that sort of computing power right on your desktop. And I'll teach you in this course how to frame data analysis problems as MapReduce problems that you can run on the cloud using Hadoop. This course is very hands-on. We'll do a little bit of theory covering on how MapReduce works, but then we're going to dive right into a bunch of examples. And some of them are pretty fun. We're going to be analyzing movie ratings data and making recommendations for movies you might like based on similarities to other movies that you've seen. We're going to look at social network data for superheroes. Believe it or not, there's a data set for that out there. And we'll use that to compute degrees of separation between superheroes and find the most popular superhero out there. We'll analyze some real weather data from the year 1800 to find out temperature extremes during that year. And we'll also look at some fake e-commerce data that we can analyze to get a feel of how to analyze customer behavior data in a real e-commerce type of setting. After covering those examples, we'll introduce the concepts of Hadoop and actually run some of these examples using much larger data sets in the cloud using Amazon's Elastic MapReduce service. I designed this course for people with some programming or scripting ability who want to apply that experience to big data analysis. Now, we'll be doing most of the work in this course in the Python programming language, but there's going to be lots and lots of examples to go by, so you don't need to be a Python expert to be successful in this course. But you do need to have the fundamentals of programming under your belt in order to get through some of the learning exercises that we'll be doing. So check out the course description, check out the free preview videos here, and enroll. I look forward to rolling up my sleeves and writing some MapReduce code with you.